Hi everyone, in this video let's have a look at the module placements. I'm going to log in as an admin using the username and password, and once I've logged in I can go to the placement module by going for academics. So here I have the placement. Under placement I have the option to view the various placement that has been created previously. So you can see the list of placement events, the title, company, the date in which it was created. These information are displayed here. So you can view these placement drive details one after the other by just selecting them and viewing the information. Let's see the content of the placement event. The option to generate reports, that is the list of students who have been invited, the list of students who were registered, the list of students who participated, and finally the list of students who have been placed in the organization. So these generate reports could be helpful to generate a report for these options. So now we can have a look at these previous placement events by selecting each of them. And now you can create a new one by going for announce new placement. So here you're going to provide a title. Let's say the placement for 2016. You want to give title, and you can select a date. Let's say by default weeks later the date is going to be marked. You can change it as how you want. You can give a title for the company. You can give a description. So what is the description about the event, and the description that needs to be conveyed to the students can be given here. And once you've created it, you can view the placement event details right here. And now the next step would be to invite students. So you can invite students from here, where you'll be selecting the student by selecting the batch and the students along with it. So now you can select each batch, select the set of students, and doing that you get to see the number of students you have invited, and you can invite them right here. Now this is how you can create an event, invite the students. So now we need to log in as a student and register in the placement event. To log in as one of the student who is a part of the placement event, I'm going to enter the username and password of the student, and I can go to academics, and under academics I'm going for the module placement, and here you get to see the placement event that was created for the student. The student gets to view it, and on looking at the invitation, the student can choose to view invitation and take part in the placement by selecting apply. So here it is more specific about the details that has been shared with the student. Now you can apply it, and now the application is waiting for approval. So the person who has created the placement event needs to approve the application that is being sent by the student. So that would be the next step. So let's log in as an admin to go to module placement and approve the student's application. So here this is the placement event, and I can go to in registrations, where we can see that this student is alone registered. Now you can see registration as approve registration and reject registration, where I'm going for approve registration. Now the registration is confirmed. Now once the student gets joins the placement event, once the student takes part in the placement event, we can mark it as attended. And once the event is completed and the status of the placement is being available, then you can add the status right here. Now this is how each student is going to approve the registration, and the registration can be approved for each student right as an admin who created the event.